How's it going, everybody? So today I have a couple things. I had the E90 in the shop, and when we first got this car I thought the cigarette lighter plug did not work. Turned out to be my phone charger. However, that is a common problem on E90 E92, that the cigarette lighter plug does not work, and this affects both cigarette lighter ports, the one in the rear and the one in the front. So I'm going to show you where the fuse is at for that, which is kind of hard to find if you don't know where it's at, and that way you go right to it and see, and also show you where the fuse box is at. We'll go over just a few things. Okay, so all that being aside, we have a very important special addition to the shop, and you guys that live in the Midwest or even the South know how important this is. And here it is. Got some AC going, and right now it's, I just had the doors open at 74, but that takes it down to 68 degrees in here, and it'll hold it at that. That is a game changer. I've been in the shop a lot the last 2 days since I got that. I'm making a little leeway on the workbench. It's a hell of a process though. But yeah, we got our MRE stuff for the other channel up here. Got like a little display. We're getting there. This is a freaking disaster. Get all that set up. I'm gonna make a little soldering station here and have our hot glue gun out, so we can fix crap. And then this will all be soon to come. I'm gonna finish that wall out. Tired of that nasty looking paint. I got some more pegboard to put on there. I have a double sliding door to put in there. And that's it. Okay, so let's get in the passenger side of that car. I'm trying to find a light to go in there and so you guys can see. Okay, you get some kind of light off eBay. If you guys have any ideas on that, some kind of little tripod light I could put in the cars I'm doing videos. I definitely need to get something like that. So up here is a fuse box. There is it's like a E46 kind of. A half turn fastener there, another one there. That flips down, and you can see back in here, holy, the camera might be too big, it is right there on the very end, if you could even see that. Now a lot of these guys on the newer models, was it late 07 or 2008 and newer, the fuse is actually right there, the middle one on that. And they changed that mid-year in 07. I don't know what all the exact makes and models are, but here's the card, and this is the, man, talk about some crappy light. Yeah, so right there, that little bottom corner symbol is the symbol for the cigarette lighter, and that is number 30. Okay, so you flip it over and you find number 30. This is the layout for the fuse panel, and number 30 is all the way up here on the bottom right there. So that's the very top right of the fuse box, the lower one where I just showed you, and just to recap, it is right there. That'll affect both your cigarette lighters. And if you have a car that has the newer style fuse box, it'll show you on the card that it's in the different location than what this one is. And instead of a 5 amp in that location, it'd be a 20 amp. So it's a little bit confusing. This camera is way too big to fit in that glove box, so it's hard for me to show you. I'll try to zoom in and editing and figure that out. That is it, guys. I mean, other than that, I think we're gonna do control arms on this car coming up this week. And when I ordered both the thrust arms with the bushings in them, I could not find neoprene bushings anywhere. So I bought these Dorman from Amazon, link will be in the description. As soon as I bought that, I saw a video of a guy that got neoprene bushings, but he had to get it from the UK, from United Kingdom. And they were like 50 bucks. These Dorman arms with the bushings pre-pressed in, they're a little more expensive. They were like, I think with everything it was like 90 bucks. which is quite a lot for control arms for only 2 arms. But the rest of the stuff in this car did not need to be replaced yet. All the tie rods look good. The lower arms look good. You know, everything looked really good. Even the ball joints were fine. So I just got only what we needed. Hopefully that'll fix a little bit of shudder on the highway, and when you hit a bump you can feel it kind of rattle, you know. And yeah, I don't know. Other than that, I feel like this video is gonna be super freaking shaky. Other than that, I'm really thinking about taking these wheels off. These 18s. They transmit so much road noise through the rest of the car when you're driving it. And the tires are so low profile, like 225 40s. It just takes away from the joy of the car from driving it. It makes it drive like a Honda Civic, to be honest with you. And not that I'm that attracted to the 16s that were on it, but we're probably going to sell this for too much longer. Depends on how it goes. And whoever buys it is not going to appreciate these wheels on it. I could assure you that. So we'll see what transpires with that the next few days. I'll make a video on that if we do that, or include it in a video. As of right now, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this video useful. We'll see you later.